making clam chowder, guys.
That's one of the things we're making today.
One. What could be the other thing? Cut you up some onion.
So now that you're done cutting
your onion, well, place that in a nice big bowl.
Nope. Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
How about that?
Bro, your aura skyrocketed doing that.
Okay, after cutting your celery, we got your russet potatoes. After that, you wanna cut up your garlic, but I'm gonna use a garlic press. Now get the bacon out from there. We just need one bag for. You know what? I had it up to here with your foolishness. Oh! Oh! I said one box! Man, what the hell is this, yo?
It's feud. That's pure feud. That's disgusting, Yeka. So we got the wrong one. This was a pre-made. So we made a mistake there. Well, my brother did because he didn't think to ask me. Oh, is this for the chow mein? Is this for whatever we're making?
Dude, this looks yummy.
And we got pre-made bacon. Yeah, that's the case here, and I'm not happy with it. It's just something that we have to live with.
Do we have more?
Yeah, if you want.
Then we got more.
Go ahead. Seems like you needed 2 boxes.
Nope. Just one.
Empty. Full.
Shout out to this brand, sponsor of the video. Shout out to the sponsor of the video. Shout out to the sponsor of the video. Get out of here. Shout out to the sponsor of the video. Oh. Shut up. Oh my god. See how he disrespects me? His own brother. Dude, I don't know how this big. No, listen. No, dude.
So what you want to do is have it at the highest possible.
Okay, we'll come back to when it's all greased out. You're gonna see it. We're gonna show you when it's all greased out.
Okay, so when it starts looking like this, you should be getting close to. Oh my god, dude! Crank that fan up, bro.
Like that fan goes anywhere, bro. Goes right back into the house.
Yeah, I forgot when we wired it. I forgot when we wired it wrong and we just put it in your roof.
No, there's no opening on top. It doesn't go anywhere. This is all just for show, man. This is a lie. So we just gotta pop right back out. What is this? 1984? We need about 2 tablespoons here.
Dude, you're like the Jungian army. So we need butter?
And we need butter. Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro.
Oh my god.
Hey, everything's alright.
Oh no.
Don't worry, wait until it calms down. We're gonna enter this. This is all purpose?
Maybe.
So you wanna add a little bit like that? You wanna mix it around. Make sure it's nice and mixed, cause dude, this is gonna do a lovely flavor to your pasta. A lot of lovely flavor, a lot of clean.
All right, my brother's gone gray with age.
No more. No more.
Bro's taking this seriously. Oh my God! No, 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 no.
Yo, that hot, man.
It is, brother.
No, genuinely, it's hot.
You mean regularity is hot? Oh my God, that's so.
Yo, stop.
I'm adding more to the food.
No, we don't need more. We don't need more.
Fine, we don't need more.
You're asking for it, buddy.
No. So what are we doing here?
We're adding some chicken stock to it.
Yeah, and like, how do you measure it and all?
You get the feel.
Hey.
You're asking for it, buddy.
No, 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 no! Nerd.
You want some milk?
Ew. Milk and food? Not in chocolate milk? Ew, dude. Not in cupcakes and cookies? Ew, dude. Bro.
Hey! I don't appreciate that, cuz. So what you want to do is you gotta wait for this to simmer, thicken up a little bit. It's looking already beautiful.
Maybe.
Okay, so so what you want to do is put your potatoes in here, which we already have done. Wait, what did something? Here, you put in the liquids. you boil it. You leave it like, you know, put your potatoes in, boil it, leave it to
all the standard
simmer.
stuff, right?
All the standard stuff. You leave it to simmer. You cook it for 15 minutes so the potatoes can actually boil. So now you want to add your So what you want to add? It's your half and half. A cup and a half of it.
Come on. Pour. Come on.
I know.
Come on.
I know.
Come on.
Wait, chill out, buddy. Dude, you're not gonna film it?
Oh, right.
That's good enough.
That's disgusting. Oh. Brakes on impact.
Want to add your clams?
Is that true?
Yeah.
That's good to know, because I've been working with a lot of, you know, clams in these days and ages, and it makes me think of Family Guy because of the clam bar.
But you just don't want to. They're already cooked, so you just want to kind of warm them up. You don't want to heat them up. You don't want to.
Oh, I see. Where did we get these clams then, huh? Thought we got them from the shore.
Who made up that lie?
Me. Is that it? Is it done?
Yeah.
That's the
You
food?
just gotta warm it up. Yeah.
Wow. That's beautiful.
I know.
Oh, so quick and easy. Wouldn't you say?
Hey, and if you want, you could pull yourself a bowl of it and add some bacon bits.
Oh, is that why we have these bacon bits?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna be tasting the food, okay? Do we need a spoon for this? Okay, no spoon for this. Got it. Okay. So it tastes a little burnt. I would say that might be my fault for getting the wrong type of bacon. It's burnt. So it's not really good. It doesn't have that much flavor, and oh. And then this is the food that I made. I made these little crackers. Took a lot of time and effort to make these. You don't understand how long it took. But yeah, it's pretty good. So now let's try it with this. No, guys. Honestly, guys, I wouldn't recommend it. unless you're starving and you have all these ingredients already, like, yeah, I would do it, but honestly, I wouldn't go out to get this. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Yeah. Look out for your family. Make sure that they don't get hit by a bus, I guess. Oh, but yeah, and also drink and drive. See ya.
Look at that gas station pumper. Look at her mother, her beard white as snow. Boy, why are you so slow? Makes me laugh.